All right, so I've put my little miniature greenhouse up outside. I actually originally bought this for the inside to keep the cats out. Now you can see it just kind of folds out. I went ahead and raked back the wood chips of my raised bed. You can see the soil is nice and damp from the rain and everything, and so I'm very excited about this. Went ahead and staked down all of the bars. Unfortunately, the outside of this doesn't have any grommet holes or anything to put stakes through, so it does velcro on the inside. So I went ahead and did that, and I staked down that, and then I put in some radishes in here, and I also put in some broccoli and some mixed greens for the bearded dragon as well. So wanted to give this a try. We're supposed to get some cold temps coming up pretty soon, but I put it right next to the winter sowing project that we're doing, and just want to put some then out here to kind of get some things going as it's starting to warm up. It's officially the first day of spring.